If you are working with SQL, or you are planning to work with SQL, you're certainly in great company. In the 2023 Developer Survey by Stack Overflow, there is a ranking of the most popular technologies out there. If we look at professional developers, where we have almost 70,000 responses, we can see that SQL is ranked as the third most popular technology. SQL is certainly one of the most in-demand skills out there, not just for developers, but for anyone who works with data in any capacity. And in this course, I'm going to help you learn SQL the way I wish I would have learned it when I started out on my journey. Since this is a practical course, we won't go too deep into the theory. All you need to know for our purposes is that SQL is a language for working with data. Like most languages, SQL has several dialects. You may have heard of PostgreSQL or MySQL, for example. You don't need to worry about these dialects because they're all very similar. So if you learn SQL in any one of the dialects, you'll do well on all the others. In this course, we will be working with BigQuery, and thus we will write SQL in the Google SQL dialect.